In this video, you'll learn how to download Claude Code. By following these instructions, you will successfully obtain the software for your device. This process ensures that you can access Claude Code for your needs. Start by navigating to the website claude.ai. Once the page loads, look for the option to log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you're a new user. Signing up may require you to provide an email address and create a password. After logging in or completing the sign-up process, locate your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a small person or an avatar. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with various options. Next, from the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Download Claude for Windows. This will initiate the download process for the software. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the download, this may take a few moments. Once you click the download option, a file will begin to download to your computer. You can monitor this process by checking your browser's download bar or the downloads folder. If the download is large, it may take longer, particularly if you have a slower internet connection. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file in your designated downloads folder. The file will typically be named something like, quote, claudeinstaller.xx. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When the installation is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that Claude Code has been successfully installed. At this point, you can launch the application from your desktop or start menu. Ensure that your system meets any necessary requirements for optimal performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.